Okay, so recording has been started. Okay, so in today's class, what we are going to do, we are mainly we will see how to how to uh, explore more and more data sets using Kaggle data sets. Okay, this is very important. Um, since you are you will be a data engineer or a data analyst or an ETL developer or a data scientist, whatever you are, you should know the data sets. Okay, you should know about the data set, where it is and how we can explore more and more data sets. Okay, so my first topic is to explore the Kaggle data set, and from there just import we will import two data sets, so that we will use those two data sets, those two files in our future upcoming classes. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to the Kaggle website. Just go to the Kaggle website. Kaggle, when you type in Google Kaggle, here it is Kaggle Data Science Company. This type of icon you will get. Just click on it, and www.kaggle.com is the official website of Kaggle. So Kaggle is an open source free website which leverages you to learn machine learning algorithms, data science, data engineering, and so many things. Learn Python as well. Okay, so just go to this Kaggle. Here, if you want to explore this account, just go to and create your profile. Otherwise, if you are not you have not created the profile, then it's okay. Just go and search IPL dataset. I- So in future classes, I'm going to tell you about more and more data sets which are there on the Kaggle. Okay, so just go to IPL datasets. Just click on this, and you can see IPL dataset is here. So from 2008 to 2019. Okay, you will get 2008 latest, whatever version it is. You will get it from here. Okay, so in case I have 2000 till 2020, but here it is 2000 till 2009. In case you will, if you search more, you will get till 2020 as well. Okay, IPL data set. Okay, 3 year ago, 4 year ago, 2 year ago, you can see it. So different person have contributed the IPL. This is 2008 to 2020. Just just select anyone. I do select detail analysis of. Just go it there, and you can see complete data set. Just go here. See, here it is. Here it is download option. Okay, 22.72 MB. Okay, ball by ball. Here it is the first one, and when you see, it is uh, ball by ball coverage. If you download it from here, okay, if you download from here, you will get a zip file. Okay, so for now, let me tell you why I'm not getting ball by ball coverage. Just go to datasets, just search it, IPL, and select anyone. I'm not sure why I'm not able to see the dataset. Just okay, so here it is. Okay, so just go to here, and just download the dataset. Okay, from here You can download from here or from here. So I, since I have downloaded already, so I will not download it again. So just I have the data. Let me show that how it looks like. So just go to the data. I will go to the data, and IPL matches from 2008 to 2020. Let me open this. So the data looks like this. It is a CSV file, and two data sets have been there, are there. 2008 IPL matches from 2008 to 2020, and um, second one is second one is ball by ball coverage. Okay, ball by ball coverage 2008 to 2020. So we have match ID, in which city the match was played, on which date the match was played. Okay, player of the match, what who was man of the match, the venue, the neutral venue, the team one, who was against playing, who was the toss winner, who was the toss decision, what decision was, whether he opted for free field or bat, who was the winner of the match. Okay, what was the result, means if the first team, if Kolkata Knight Riders suppose is the winner, so what he did first, if he choose to bat first, then it went uh, went on winning by runs, and it is the result margin 140 run it win. Eliminator, no, it was not eliminated. Method, whether it was Duckworth Lewis or something else, or a super over, so it is not applicable. Umpire 1, umpire 2, and like that. If you see ball by ball coverage, what I have I have the match ID, the inning, first inning, over, okay, over, ball, 5, batsman who was, okay, uh what it was not the first one. Okay, it is non-striker who was the bowler, who was the batsman, and how much runs he made. Extra runs was extra runs, no. Total runs made on that ball, non-boundary, it was non-boundary. Is wicket, was wicket fall on that ball. Dismissal, was dismissal done on that ball. Okay, dismissal kind. Player dismissed, yes, player dismissed, was the player dismissed, no. Fielder, who was the fielder who fielded the ball. Extra type, means was there extra ball, it was. So the batting team, who was the batting team, and who was the bowling team. So these two data sets are related. Now we'll see how to load the data without creating the table. Okay, so what I will do, I will just, in the first table, what I will do, I will I will remove this table. Okay, I will drop this table, and I will show you how to load the first data set. Means I will I will show you how to load this IPL matches 2008 to 2020. This has only 860 something record. Okay, so it will be loaded in no time. So I will click on it. First, I will create a database name IPL. Okay, IPL database I will create database, if not exist IPL. Okay, it will create my database IPL. Now what will I do, I will open it, and I will go to tables. Okay, tables, click on the table, right click on the table, and I will get table import data wizard, data import wizard. Now what I will do, I will select browse. It will open a dialog box. I will select IPL matches from 2008 to 2020. Now, what I will do, I will do next. Now, what is the thing here? You need to pay attention. What I will do, I will select create new table. Okay, create new table. This is very important. Now, if you pass this name, this will certainly create an error when you are selecting the things. Okay, so don't pass like this hyphen and a space. Don't pass like this. What I will suggest, just pass underscore instead of hyphen. So see, like this, I will suggest do it like this: IPL underscore matches underscore 2008 underscore 2020, and just do like this. And one more thing, guys. One more thing. Don't you when you will come to your MySQL workbench, you will see your dialog box has been vanished. Okay, so many students do these things. They will again open table import data wizard and do blah and try to load. This will create an this will create an unnecessary loading on MySQL workbench, and it will be out of memory error. Okay, so don't do this. You will go to your SQL bench at the taskbar, okay, and hover it. When you hover it, your table import wizard will be there only. Okay, so just go and first check whether a table import data wizard is there or not. So I will select it, and now you can see I since I have copied it, I will paste it here. IPL underscore matches from 2008 to 2020. Okay, okay, just do next, and you can see already my data type, my varchar type, my date type, my player of the match, venue, eliminator, everything has been selected. Okay, okay. So now do next, and do next to execute, and since the records are less, it will be imported soon. And now see, finished performing task. So just go next and just do finish, and you are set. Just now do select star from. Just refresh it so that you can see it here, and just do select star from, and you can see that the records have been loaded. Okay, so this was one of the things what I uh, what was required in this class. So uh, so the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.